Zebra. Monkey. Lion. Chick. Squirrel. Bear. Cat. Cow. Deer. Crow. Peacock is a colorful and flamboyant bird known for its striking iridescent plumage and distinctive fan-shaped tail feathers, which it displays during courtship rituals. Rabbit is a small, herbivorous mammal characterized by its long ears, hopping gait, and a soft fur coat. They are known for their prolific breeding and are found in various habitats across the world. Elephant is a massive, herbivorous mammal known for its long trunk, large ears, and thick gray skin, native to Africa and Asia. Chicken is a domesticated bird raised for its meat and eggs, characterized by a feathered body, beak, and the ability to scratch the ground for food. Dog is a domesticated carnivorous mammal known for its loyalty to humans and its varied breeds, often kept as pets or working animals. The tiger is a large carnivorous feline species characterized by its distinctive orange coat with black stripes, known for its strength and agility. It is one of the apex predators in its habitat and is found in various parts of Asia. A woodpecker is a bird characterized by its strong beak and the habit of pecking tree trunks to find insects and create nesting cavities. Varanus is a genus of reptiles, commonly known as monitor lizards, characterized by their elongated bodies, sharp claws, and forked tongues. They are part of the family Varanidae and are found in various habitats across Africa, Asia, and Australia. Hamster is a small, nocturnal rodent often kept as a pet due to its compact size, friendly demeanor, and ease of care. Raccoon is a medium-sized, nocturnal mammal native to North America, recognized by its distinctive black mask-like facial markings and bushy tail. It's known for its adaptability and scavenging behavior.